Valentine's Day is all about love, and love is something eternal. The aspect may change, but not the essence. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching all my videos and giving me so much love. And in today's video, I'm going to create this Valentine's Day special look. So, without further delay, let's straight move into the main part. Starting my makeup with this prime water by Color Bar, it will keep my skin hydrated for longer time. Now using L'Oreal Infallible Serum to get a dewy base. For the foundation, today I am using Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation in the shade 07. It provides natural to full coverage. Now using Color Bar Concealer in the shade Medium. This concealer provides full coverage and it's really easy to blend. For the contour, today I am using Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer. For the blush, here I am using Glinster Cosmetics Lush Lip and Cheek Tint. Now setting my whole base with Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. To define my eyebrows, today I am using Morphe Eyebrow Pomade. For eye makeup, I chose something like foxy but not too loud eye makeup, so that is why here I am using kajal, which is from Sugar Cosmetics, and trying to make a wing liner with it. Then smudging the wing liner with a pencil kind of brush. Next applying a neutral brown shade and blending all along together. Now applying a light shimmer shade on all over my eyelid, creating a foxy line in the front corner of my eye. Applying very little concealer to enhance the wing line. Adding some kajal, which is from NY Bay. And here is the final look of the eye makeup. Let me just finish on both of my eye. You can call it a smoky wing eye makeup. For powder contour, today I'll be using this Wet n Wild powder contour. This contour is very much pigmented. This palette is actually very much pigmented. Then adding some blush from Color Bar Cosmetics. To set my whole base, I'm using Morphe Setting Spray. And in today's look, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter. This is a very much pigmented highlighter. Just look at the glow. Now adding some mascara to enhance my lashes. It is from Sugar Cosmetics. For the lip liner, I am using Color Bar lip liner. It's beautiful dark brown shade lip liner. And for the lipstick, I am using a beautiful loud red lipstick because it's Valentine's Day and Valentine's Day means red lipstick. And here is the final complete look. Though I have used a matte foundation, but still the makeup looks super dewy because of the L'Oreal Infallible Serum. And this is the final look. I hope you guys really like the look. Then do like this video and share this video with your friends and relatives. And comment down your views. And do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates, and I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Stay tuned for that. Tab tak, bye bye, stay safe.